What's up, everybody? Welcome back to today's video here at Low Country Volkswagen. We're going to be taking a look at the 2018 Atlas R-Line. Ooh, beautiful car. That car's outside. Before we go outside and take a look at the R-Line Atlas, we're going to take a look at the vehicle in the showroom, and then we'll roll out there and see what the R-Line is all about. So anyways, this vehicle in the showroom here is absolutely gorgeous. It really is. And one thing that Low Country Volkswagen does a really good job of is putting beautiful accessories on the vehicles that are inside. So anyways, let's switch the camera view around for a minute and start taking a look at this car. All right, everybody, so this particular Atlas is your SEL 4Motion, fully loaded out. Loving the color combination here with the silver and the black wheels. And, you know, right now we got several Atlases in stock that have the black wheels. I don't know, something about it. It really makes it stand out a lot, doesn't it? Now, one thing I really like about it is the running boards. Kind of makes it look lower to the ground, right? It does. Gives it a good look. There's a lot of nice accessories on this. I like the roof racks. Anyways, let's get a look at the wheels. I know a lot of y'all watching right now that are familiar with Atlas are familiar with these wheels, but they got Continental tires on them, 255/50s with a 20-inch wheel. And it's not a matte finish, it's a gloss black, so it's really shiny. A little bit of tire shine on there though, but that's okay. Another nice accessory is the roof racks. Those really make a difference. They really do. I don't know, just something about them. Even if you don't have this part on here, these are still on there, and those look good as well. Now, I know most people, they're not going to spend money on roof racks just for looks. I mean, if they're going to put them on there, they're going to use them. But either way, they definitely make the vehicle stand out a little bit more than just your traditional, you know, SUV going down the highway like a Ford Explorer or something like that. Ooh, that thing is pretty, isn't it? It really is. I'm liking the silver and, you know, the black trim on the fender flares and on the bottom, and even the black on here and there. It really all just flows nicely. And then you got the black interior that really sets it off a little bit more. So anyways, let's keep looking around. You have the tow package. That's definitely a plus. V6, 4Motion, all-wheel drive. You also have the chrome right here. This protects your bumper, so when you're loading things in and out, doesn't get the bumper all scratched up. And again, it just looks good. Third row seats come standard. Panoramic glass sunroof. So that's all looking really nice. And then to top things off even more, captain row, second row seats. You can't beat captain rows. You got kids, maybe you got two sons, two daughters, a son and a daughter. You know, it's nice to have the captain rows. I got kids myself, and, you know, it's nice to separate them a little bit so they're not picking with each other so much. Power tailgate, you got it. So that's looking pretty good. Let's take a quick look at the interior, then we'll go outside and take a look at today's featured vehicle. Before we do, though, the Maroni label, Atlas V6 SEL with 4Motion. I thought it was a premium, but this is just an SEL 4Motion. Price tag stickered out at $45,155. It gets 23 mile per gallon on the highway, 17 city, average combined of 19 mile per gallon. Power seats, memory seats, lumbar support, and you have your leatherette seating on the inside, which is really nice. You can get it with leather, but you have to bump up to the SEL Premium. Okay, just your traditional SEL like this is going to have leatherette. Huge screen, and that's really about it. The interior is not really all that much different than some of the other Atlases, but again, those captain row seats, which we'll take a look at real quickly here, are definitely a nice upgrade. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like it. And I love the big roof up top. That's sweet. You got rear air in the back. You also got down here, you got two USB ports, 115 volt, 150 watt outlet down there. You got your all-season rubber mats. Also, an advantage of having the captain row seats back here is it makes it a little bit easier to get to the third row. You could slide through the middle for kids. Adults would basically go through right there, okay? So anyways, that's about it. Let's walk outside and take a look at the R-Line. Before we do, though, I'm loving that. Those little shades. That's pretty sweet. So there you go. All right, let's go out here and take a look at the R-Line. So here's your R-Line Atlas for 2018. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful vehicle. It really is.